Yes, class, good morning. Today topic your trigonometric function. Today is second lecture of in this topic. I am talking about the trigonometric function. Trigonometric functions having some identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cos square theta. But trigonometric functions, other some identity having in the quadrant also. Yes, we discuss about the today identity of the quadrants. Here, this is the fourth quadrant here. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. First quadrant here. Suppose this is the 0 degree and the complete angle will be 360 degree. They are 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Suppose you are starting here pi by 2, 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi here. Then here all trigonometrical ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta और cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. All are positive here. All identity of the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cos theta is positive in first quadrant. And fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant here sec sin theta and here cos theta and sec theta will be only two identity are positive. Rest will be negative. So how to make identity here? Now look here in first quadrant. In first quadrant here sin pi by 2 minus theta. What will your sin pi by 2 minus theta? Here cos theta. Next second, what will you have the cos pi by 2 minus theta? This equal to your sin theta. Next third, what will you have tan pi by 2 minus theta here? Then it will become here cot theta. Next fourth, cot pi by 2 minus theta here, then will come here tan theta. And next fifth, sec pi by 2 minus theta, then is equal to cosec theta. And then next sixth, cosec pi by 2 minus theta here, then it will come here sec theta. This is our first quadrant. These are the first quadrant. These are the first quadrant. But some other quantity also in first quadrant. This is also in first quadrant. This is also in first quadrant. Suppose you write sin 2n pi plus theta. Now look at 2n pi. 2n pi means 2 pi here, this 360 degree. You are something adding the 2n pi, then you come in first quadrant. So 2n pi sin theta here, then will come here with sin theta. First quadrant. Second here cos 2n pi plus theta equal to cos theta. Next tan 2n pi plus theta equal to tan theta. And cot 2n pi plus theta equal to cot theta. And sec 2n pi plus theta equal to sec theta. And cosec 2n pi plus theta equal to cosec theta. This is also in first quadrant. All are positive. Both are first quadrant. Means 2n by something, means complete one round and taking something more than first quadrant. This is called the both here first quadrant identities. Then we will using the note down. Then I will start the fourth quadrant identities. Yes, note down it. Yes, students. first quadrant and it completes. Now come in the fourth quadrant. This relation is first and fourth, then start the fourth. First and fourth, then second and third. First, fourth quadrant. Look here, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant here two types. Fourth quadrant also in two types here. First, sine minus theta here called. So sine minus theta here minus sine theta. Because here only cos and sec positive. Next, cos minus theta equal cos theta, and tan minus theta here called the minus tan theta, and cot minus theta here called minus cot theta, and sec minus theta here called sec theta. Sec, this side will be positive, and cosec minus theta equal to जाएगा minus cosec theta. Only two identity here positive in fourth quadrant, sec and cosec. Cos and sec identity positive. Rest will be a negative. So first types. Now second type. This is also fourth. This is the fourth quadrant, and this is also fourth quadrant identity. Now look here first. Is sine 2n pi minus theta. This is equal to sine theta minus sine theta. When write the minus theta here 2n pi minus, both same thing here. This is not different. Second here cos 2n pi minus theta equal to cos theta. Next tan 2n pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta, and cot 2n pi minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Next, sec 2n pi minus theta here called sec theta, cosec 2n pi minus theta here minus cosec theta. So these are called here sine, cos, tan, cot, and sec, cosec are. These are also fourth quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. This is also fourth quadrant. That means only sec and cos positive. Rest will be negative. These are identities of the fourth quadrant identities. So very simple things. First and fourth is completed. Then third and fourth will start. Note down it. Yes, students. First and fourth is completed. Left here, second and third. Now look here second quadrant. Second quadrant here sine theta and cosec theta will be positive, and rest will be negative. Sine and cosec will be positive, and rest will be negative. And same things here, tan theta and cot theta will be positive, and rest will be negative. Tan and cot here positive, and rest will be negative. So now look here in second quadrant. In second quadrant, first is sine pi by 2 plus theta. Then here cos theta, and cos pi by 2 plus theta to minus sin theta, and tan pi by 2 plus theta, this equal to minus cot theta, and cot pi by 2 plus theta then equal to minus tan theta, and sec pi by 2 plus theta to minus cosec theta, and cosec pi by 2 plus theta equal to sec theta. But this identity are positive. First and last is positive. The rest middle they are negative. Means sin 90 plus theta means this is the degree of 90 pi by 2. So 0 degree. So 0. So you are at some plus something here, then you will go here second quadrant. When you adding something in 90, then you are going in सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, तो 90 प्लस थीटा कॉस थीटा, 90 कॉस 90 प्लस थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा. Only first sin 90 plus theta positive and cosec 90 plus theta is positive. Rest will be negative. So yes, next part here. Same in second quadrant here. Both are second quadrant. Then sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. What do you mean pi? Pi means 180. What do you mean pi? Pi means 180 degree. Pi radian means 180 degree. So this when you calculating the pi means pi by 2 means 90 degree. Pi by 2 radian means 90 degree. So then you can write in 180 or pi using only one. So then sin pi minus theta means this is the value of pi. This is the value of pi. So you are something minus in pi. Then you are going again second quadrant. You are something minus in the 180 degree. Then you are going in second quadrant. The sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Same cos pi minus theta here minus cos theta, and tan pi minus theta here minus tan theta, and cot pi minus theta here minus cot theta, and sec pi minus theta here minus sec theta, and cosec pi minus theta here cosec. So this and this are here positive. So this is also second quadrant. This pattern second quadrant. This pattern also second quadrant. Because here 90 plus something, you are moving from this side or you are moving from this side. The 90 plus something, this is second quadrant. When 180 minus something, then you are also going in second quadrant. So then both are here second quadrant identities. So, but important things here. When are you using the 90, then trigonometrical ratio will be changed. Sin converted into cos, cos converted into sin. But when you using the pi, then are using sin also sin, cos also cos, tan also tan, and cot also. Every trigonometric ratio will be same. When are you using the pi? When you using the 90 means pi by 2, then trigonometric ratio will be changed. You note down it. Then next third quadrant. Yes, students. First, fourth and second is completed. Last is third quadrant here. So now start the third quadrant. Sin means this is the pi, something in adding in the pi. Sin pi plus theta. This will equal to sin theta minus sin theta. This will be minus sin theta. Means sin only tan or cot here positive, rest will be negative. So sin pi plus theta minus sin theta, cos pi plus theta here minus cos theta, and cos pi plus theta, sorry, cos is completed tan. Tan pi plus theta here, so tan theta. This will be positive, tan. Same here, cot pi plus theta, this is also here cot theta. And next sec pi plus theta here minus sec theta, cosec pi plus theta here, this will be also called here minus cosec theta. So only tan or cot positive, rest will be negative in the third quadrant. So these are the identity of the first, second, third and fourth quadrant. You have to practice according to quadrant which trigonometric ratio positive, which is negative. Next things here, you know, some identity of sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. This is a 10th class identity here. Sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. This is a class 10 identity. And cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Next, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. So the identity of the class 10 identity, you again note down and learn it also. If any problem, then clear your doubts. So then these are the identity of the 10th class. So according to fourth quadrant, already you are noted it. Then you note down the next part. Yes, students. Next question, I am taking question number first from exercise 3.2 here. Find the value of the other 5 trigonometrical functions. One function here given cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, or where is the x lies in the third quadrant. X lies in the third quadrant. According to these conditions, you will find the other trigonometrical ratio, means sin x, cot x, tan x, sec x and cosec x. You will find other trigonometrical ratio in this condition. Yes, start the solution here. What is the value of cos x? Cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. Where is the x lies here? Pi greater than x less than 3 pi by 2. What do you mean this? More than second quadrant and less than fourth quadrant. More than second quadrant and less than fourth quadrant means this will be between the third quadrant. X lies in the third quadrant. Then what value of the cos x? Then you can write this. What value of the sec x? Sec x is 1 upon cos x. What value of the cos x? 1 upon minus 1 by 2. This will be minus 2. The value of the sec x here minus 2. This is the first answer. Second answer is sin square x plus cos square x. This will be 1. What value of the sin x here? Putting the value of sin x, sin square x plus minus 1 by 2 square is equal to 1. So sin square x plus what value of this 1 by 4 equal to 1. So sin square x equal 1 minus 1 by 4. This will be 3 by 4. So value of this sin x, this will be plus minus root 3 by 4. Sin x equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. What value of the sin x here? Plus minus root 3 by 2. But x lies in the third quadrant. But x lies in third quadrant. Then sin x equal to minus root 3 by 2. Value of the sin x plus minus root 3 by 2. But x lies here, given condition ki x lies in the third quadrant, then value of the sin x, this actual value of sin x equal to minus root 3 by 2, because x here lies in the third quadrant. Our third quadrant sign is the negative, not positive. Then positive value will be ignored here, because sin x lies in the third quadrant. Our third quadrant sign is the negative sign. Then value of the sin x, actual value of the correct value of the sin x is minus root 3 by 2. The next sin x, then cos x equal to 1 upon sin x. What value of the sin x? 1 upon minus root 3 by 2. So minus 2 upon root 3. This is value of the cos x. And first we have get here sec x. Second sin x already here. Cos x already you get here. And then you find here tan x. What value of the tan x? Sin x upon cos x. What value of sin x? Minus 2 upon root 3. And what value of the cos x? Minus 1 by 2. Minus to minus here cancel. What value of cos x? Minus 1 by 2. You have cos value minus 1 by 2. What value of the sin x? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 here. Root 3 by 2. This is value of the sin x. Root 3 by 2. What will you come here? Minus to minus here cancel. Then root 3 means here root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. This will be cancelled. What is left here? Tan x. Value of the tan x here root 3 by 2. Next cot x. Cot x equal to 1 upon tan x. This is equal to 1 upon root 3. This is the value of the cot x. So cot x, tan x 2, sin x, cos x 4, and sec x, cos x 6. all are you are getting here. Cos x already given here, sec x you find here, sin x here, cosec x here, tan x here and cot x here. All trigonometric ratio value are you find here with help of this identity. Now you are using the single identity of this in this identity. Then find find here all trigonometric ratio of the in third quadrant. Yes, note down. Then next question. Yes, students. Now I'm taking the next second question here. Sin x equal to 3/5 and x here lie in the second quadrant. And what you find here? Same things. Find other 5 trigonometrical functions. In this condition, x lie in the second quadrant. According to this condition, you will with help of this in this condition find 5 trigonometrical function. Rest जो other left. Now start the solution here. Sin x equal 3/5, where x lie in the second quadrant, means this will be pi by 2 is greater than x less than equal to pi. This is the second quadrant. So now look here. First value are cosec x equal to 1 upon sin x. 1 upon sin x equal to 1 upon 3/5. That means what value of the cosec x? 5/3. First value you get this 5. This is the first answer. Second, same thing using the sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Then using the find the value of the cos x. Whereas not sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. What value of the sin x here? 3/5. What is square of this? Plus cos square x equal to 1. Cos square x equal to 1 minus 3 is 9 for 25. What value of the cos x? Plus minus root. Square it transfer right side is the plus minus here. 25 minus 16 upon 25. 16 upon 25. What value here? Plus minus 4 upon 5. This is the value of the cos x. But cos is lying in the second quadrant. The second quadrant cos is negative sign, not positive. Cos positive only fourth quadrant. Second and third cos lie in the negative sign. Only fourth quadrant cos having the positive. Here x lie in the second quadrant, this means cos is negative. Then correct value of the cos x. Then cos x equal minus 4 upon 5 because x lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant. Next, this is value of the cos x. Next point here, find the value of tan x. What value of sin x upon cos x? What value of the sin x? 3/5. Upon what value of the cos x? Minus 4 upon 5. What do you mean here? Minus 3/4. What is left here? 5 to 5 are cancelled. What is left? Minus 3/4. The value of the tan x equal minus 3/4. Next, cot x equal to 1 upon tan x. This will be minus 4/3. This means value of the cot x equal to minus 4/3. Here 1, 2, 3 are 4 and 5 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is all are completed. Cosec, sec, and then we are finding with help of this sec also. Then what value of this sec x? 1 upon cos x, which means 1 upon minus 4 upon 5. It will be minus 5/4. Value of the sec x equal to minus 5/4. Yes, all trigonometric ratio you have find here. According to in this condition x lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos negative, tan negative, cot negative, sec negative. Only cosec and sin is positive, rest will be negative. Just note down. Then next question. Yes students, next question I am taking question number 6. Find the value of the trigonometrical function. Suppose any trigonometrical ratio given, sin 500 या cos 900 या tan 1000, any degree of the angle. Then how to solve in this type questions? Now look here. This will be negative and positive both, not positive, negative also, positive also. Then how to solve in this type question? Now look here. Solution. Sin 765 degree. First of all, you will convert 2 and pi plus theta, otherwise 2 and pi minus theta, according in this condition. Any one condition, using any one condition, 2 and pi plus theta or 2 and pi minus theta. So this is depend on their angles. Angle, how much degree of this angle? So yes, now look here, 765 degree. How to solve? 2 into 360. This is come as 720. And here 7 plus 45. Then equal to 765. The 2 and pi plus theta. This angle using this angle plus 45. According this. So now sin 2 into 360 plus 45 and 765 break down here, 2 into 360 plus 45, total value are 765. So according this means sin, this will be called here 2, how many pi here? 2 n pi. So 2 n pi means 4, means 2 n pi, 2 n pi. Here you can write 2 n pi. This is how many pi? 360. So 360 you can get 2 pi. This is converting that 4 pi. So here 2 n pi. This is the n pi, the 2 pi here plus 45. This is the 2 n pi means 2. This is the 2 pi. 360 here convert 2 pi, or this is only the 2 pi, 2 n pi. So how many will here? So their sign, or this is a plus value, this is the going in the first quadrant. The sign in first quadrant positive, sin 45 degree. What value of the sin 45? The value of sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. This is value of the sin 765 degree. Simple answer. So this will be converted 2 n pi. Sin 2 n pi plus theta equal to sin theta. So 2 here fix, n pi, how many pi here? 2 pi. Then you, this is dot product, 2 n pi plus 45 degree. Then it will be converted here sin 45. What value of sin 45 according to table? This 1 by root 2. Very simple answer of this 2 n pi. Other angles, suppose 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1200, 1500. Any angle you convert according this way. Then using any one idea, 2 n pi or 2 n pi plus or 2 n pi minus, then solve this question. Yes, note down. Next. Yes, then next question I am taking question number 7. Same question here. Find the value of the trigonometrical function. Here cosec minus 1410 degree. This is the negative sign. So how to solve negative sign? This is according to the fourth quadrant. Suppose here write is cosec minus theta. What will be here? Minus cosec theta. First of all, using this identity. Now solve here. Cosec 110 degree equal to जाएगा minus cosec 1410 degree. Cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. After that, you will be convert 1410 degree into 360 into 4, 360 into 4, 720 into 720 into 2, 0, 2 4, 7, 1440. The 1440 minus 30 degree. It means you will using the NTR cosec 2 n pi minus theta. What will be your fourth quadrant? And cosec in fourth quadrant is negative sign. This will become minus cosec theta. using this identity here. Now look here, this is the minus sign, cosec 360 into 4 minus 30 degree. What will be your minus cosec 2 pi into 4. Here write 2 and pi, no problem, 2 and pi plus theta. So here 2 and pi, 360 means 2 pi. 2 and pi, 2 and pi means how many pi here? 4 could be 8. Here 2 pi and 4, 2 pi into 4, 4 could be 8 pi. Then means you will write here 2 into 4 pi. You will write here 2 into 4 pi minus theta. Otherwise you can have both, no problem. Suppose you write in this form, this is not matter. This is not wrong. This is both. This is also a right answer. So you convert in the 2 and pi. Then 360 here convert 2 pi. Or here 4 also. The 4 to the 8. 8 pi plus 2 and pi. This is how to convert 2 and pi. 2 dot 4 pi. 2 dot. This is a dot product. This is a dot product. What will be of this? Minus cosec 30 degree. Minus here plus. Here answer came here cosec 30 degree, or cosec 30 is equal to 2. So this is your answer. It means you can solve direct in this step also. Cosec 360 to 4 minus theta. So this is also answer here cosec theta. Suppose you write direct answer here cosec 360 into 4 minus 30. Answer you can direct write here cosec 30 degree minus cosec 30 degree. So this is also right. Suppose you convert into 2 pi, the 2 dot product 4 pi minus 30 degree. This is degree here. So what will become here? So minus cosec 30 degree, and then we will convert here 2. So what will your cosec 30 is? The answer is 2. Yes, note down. Then next.